Hey guys, I know it's been a hot minute, but welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a little bit of a different type of beauty video today, but I'm super excited to be doing it. I'm going to be comparing 3 different types of lip balms that I think are going to be perfect for this winter season. So if that's what you're interested in, stay tuned. Okay, so I know a lot of people in the wintertime get chapped lips. I certainly do, and I freaking hate it. And wearing like matte lipsticks just doesn't work. It makes your lips even more dry. It looks pretty, it just doesn't work though. So I figured I would go through, I've been trying to find a good like lip balm that is going to keep my lips nice and moisturized, but also look cute with like a lot of everyday makeup looks. And I found the best 3 at 3 different price points that are still like somewhat affordable, and I'm going to share them with you today. So, all right, so the first product I have for you guys today is going to be in the under $10 category. That's my favorite category because anytime anything's under $10, it's like you have no reason not to buy it. It's going to be the NYX. This is Everything Lip Oil, so of course it's super moisturizing. I have the color Sheer Blush. I love it. It glides right on your lips. It makes them look natural. This is the Sheer Blush, so it does have a light pink tint to it, but it still looks natural. It's not annoying like most lip glosses, which I love because I love the look of lip glosses on, but they normally make your lips feel super sticky. You get like you move the wrong way and your hair gets stuck in it, and that's super annoying. And I've never had an issue with this before. Like I put it on before I go to the gym sometimes, and it's perfect. Like I don't sweat it off. It stays on. It doesn't dry your lips out. Yeah, I really recommend this. It's under $10. It's only $6. I got this at Ulta. I'm pretty sure you can get it at Target. You can get it online. So they have a few other colors too. I'm definitely gonna go back and get one of those. They have like this purple one. I think that'd be really cool on too. Definitely also the NYX one would be my biggest recommendation. You couldn't use it every single day. I think it could very easily replace chapstick because it lasts longer and I feel like it's more moisturizing. Another thing I love about it is it's got a nice vanilla scent to it. Like it smells so good. And I swear you can't put too much of it on. Well, maybe, but not really. So, yeah. All right, guys, so the next product that I have for you is going to be in the under $15 category. It's only $12. It's the Ulta Beauty Lip Whip in the strawberry flavor. I love it. It's pretty moisturizing for a lip balm. I wouldn't say it's like the most moisturizing thing I have. It's definitely not as good as the NYX Lip Oil, but that is oil, so it is going to be more moisturizing than a balm. The smell of this is absolutely to die for. It smells exactly like strawberries. I could like sit here and sniff it all day. That sounds a little suspect. It's like a reddish and hot pink color. And one thing I like about this is it can be applied either with your fingers or you can use a brush, like a little lip brush. I definitely think the fingers is the best method. So another thing I like about this is that it's a pretty buildable color. You can go with a nice, just a little tint right here, or you can build it to a nice red like this. And honestly, you could probably keep adding more to get it to be a little bit more pigmented. I like this because I feel like it'd be really nice for going out at night, especially when it's colder at night. You want your lips to be protected from that. So I really like it. For $12, I think it's a pretty good deal. I haven't worn this one as much as the other stuff, so I'm still building an opinion on it, but I definitely do recommend it. It's good for the price, and like I said, it's a pretty good lip balm that's pretty moisturizing, and I like the color of it. Yeah, this Ulta Beauty Lip Whip is definitely a nice buildable color. I know they have other colors too, other scents. I've only tried the strawberry, but I definitely recommend looking at your Ulta. I definitely recommend looking into your Ulta beauty store and checking it out, because if you're looking for a nice red, the strawberry one is perfect. I would go for that. Okay, the last item I have for you guys today is going to be an under $20 product. So it's a little bit on the higher end. I wouldn't probably normally spend more than what this item costs for a lipstick, but I do have to say it is very moisturizing for a lipstick. So it's the Hola Neon. It's actually a tinted lip balm in the color Call Me. My favorite thing about it is, even though it's a lip balm, is it looks and it feels just like a lipstick, but it also makes your lips feel really soft, and I love it. Okay. So another thing I really like about this color is it's a nice natural color. You could wear it every day for sure. Online they describe it as a nice rosy pink. I definitely agree with that. It makes your lips feel super soft. Like, this is definitely another one you could replace chapstick with. It doesn't last as long as the lip oil, so I wouldn't use it maybe as like an everyday chapstick, but it would be perfect for when you want to like treat yourself and dress up a little bit. You just want to feel a little bit better. It's a nice color. I definitely really recommend it. I love the packaging to this too. I actually got this in my Ipsy bag, but the price of this is $17. I looked it up online. So it's definitely a good product for when you like want to treat yourself to something that's nice but not too expensive. You can use it for every day. It'd be perfect for going out and doing a nicer look. I think it lasts a while. It does kind of feel like a matte lipstick when it's kind of, you've worn it for a little bit and it's towards the end, but as soon as you apply another coat, it goes back to making your lips feel super soft. So I definitely recommend this product too. Yeah, my favorite thing about the Hola Neon lip balm is that it's a lip balm, but it's disguised as a lipstick. So it doesn't get any better than that. I figured I'd throw in a little bonus recommendation too, since this is the first video I'm posting in like a couple months. This is gonna be the Lipstick Queen Frog Prince, but it's a mini. I got it from Ulta. It was like $12. I think the normal size one is around like $24. I will have to double check that for you. I love this lipstick because it looks like it's dark green, but when you put it on your lips, it's a pink color. It's one of those like pH lip balms, so it's gonna be a little bit different for everyone. It's supposed to match your lip skin. This one's not my favorite. It does make your lips feel moisturized. I do have to give it that. It is a nice lip balm, but for the price, I do feel like it was a little bit more expensive. So, and I don't think it worked as well as like a lot of the cheaper options. All of the other options are under $20, and unless you get the mini pot size, this one is over $20, if I remember right. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure it is. I mean, it's Lipstick Queen. It is nice, but like I said, all the other options are under $20, so I'd probably go with one of those. Yeah, so thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon.